do this, you're going to want to go to your Twitch page. Once you're there, go to the video producer. Once you get to that, scroll over to clips on the left side, and then find whatever clip you want on your channel. Highlights don't really work very well for this, so make sure you find a clip that you... Once you find that clip, you're going to click share and copy the link that Twitch gives you. Once you have that, you're going to go over to streamladder.com. I'll put the link right in the description for you guys. Make sure you paste that link in there. Just hit get clip. Once you do that, sure it's the right one, hit continue. From here, you're going to want to hit full screen if you want no webcam, or split if you want to put the webcam on top of the video. I want to put the webcam on top, so that. And all you have to do is drag this little box onto where your webcam is. It's a little finicky sometimes. It's still kind of new, so bear with it. At this one, you want to pick where the vertical part of the video is. So it's the center of the screen. You don't have to move that too much. You're gonna hit accept. It's gonna give you a preview. I don't really like this preview because, as you can see on the bottom and on the right of the webcam frame, there's a little reflection. So I'm gonna get rid of that. And we're gonna resize it to be a little smaller than the webcam, so there's no extra area outside of it. So we'll reposition that, make it how we want it. Hit accept again. There, that looks a lot better. Once you're done, you hit finish, and it's going to transcode the video. This takes about a minute or two. I just sped it up so you don't have to watch it. And then once you are done with that, it'll give you a link, and you can just download your Twitch clip and then post it right to TikTok, Instagram, new YouTube shorts. So I hope you like that.
He literally just ramped up like a single thing, and I tagged him once, and he's dead.
There's one more person.
Oh,
on me. He's on me. Oh shit.
Is he tryhard?
Yeah. Oh, I just no scoped him. What?
He's 1 HP. He's 1 HP. You can no scope him.